Reduce the pain of vaccination in babies. Children have a right to the most comfortable experience possible. Controlling your baby's pain during vaccinations is important. Not all babies experience vaccinations the same way, but these methods can help all children to have less pain. Make a goal for your baby's next vaccination so you can plan to take any supplies you need, like topical anesthetics or sugar water, and practice ahead of time.
Buddy, one more.
Talk to your baby's healthcare provider about what you want to do.
The last one.
And remember, combine the different methods for the best results.
Yeah, no pain, no pain.